Here we go. Last of my, so I've done walking and talking where Sunset Elementary School used to be, where Einstein Middle School is, but the buildings used to be, or, well, I guess it wasn't technically where the buildings used to be, but like, okay, I attended the school even though the buildings aren't there, that I attended aren't there anymore. Same with Shoreline High School. Then I went to Shoreline Community College, or not necessarily in that order, and then I've done University of Washington as well. So this is my last one. For Washington State anyway, currently. So I'll link to those walking and talkings in my video description. This is where I went to preschool. It is First Lutheran Church and First Lutheran Preschool. They now offer kindergarten. I don't think they did when I went here. So, yeah. I was here 2 years. I was both a lion and a dove. They gave us like biblical animals for each year, and like each class had, and so I got 2 because I was here 2 years. And the entrance was here, I think, or I don't remember if it was always, we got in one way and then let out the other way here. But I think this might go to the church. We'll do a walkabout. Made sure to come on a weekend day so there's no kiddos, and it's not a Sunday, so there's no church. So if I wanted to avoid both those things, that would rule out Monday through Friday and Sunday, and today's Saturday, so we're doing perfect. It's Saturday, 16 September 2023. I feel like we actually enter through here sometimes. It was 2 years of my life after all. 5 days a week. Was it 5 days a week? Okay. And then you enter in and go to the preschool. And here's the church part. We did do a concert in the church hall. I'm not Lutheran. I don't think either of my parents were. Maybe. Yeah, it was it's here. Sunset Elementary School's there. Einstein Middle School's like that way, and then Shoreline High School's like that way, and Shoreline Community College is there. So if one wanted a perfect location where kids could have a yard, my parents chose the perfect location to have all levels of education provided for on some level. I even got my first college degree from Shoreline Community College. Here's the playground. So we used to do art and crafts, and the playground's different now. I mean, the playground's changed a lot, but we could, and I think they actually did remodel the buildings a little bit, but the point being, at least some of the building is still here, like the church building and stuff. And we would do arts and crafts, or we'd be doing school stuff, and we could see the playground from the window. You know, tantalizing like that. Although my teachers did comment, I was that kid that was so engrossed in what they were doing, like in the classroom, that I didn't want to go out and play. I was that kid that did not want to play on the playground. And so there's the playground and the school and the church. Now enrolling for fall. My squirrels go. I don't know if they would accept squirrel children. It's for human children. Is the building a new addition? I don't think so. I think it might have gotten remodeled though at some point. Yes, actually. Thinking about that, but it was like, if that's true, it got remodeled before like Einstein and Shorewood got redone. That I would guess, if that's true, it would be closer to Sunset Elementary School getting torn down. Yeah, and here's the main entrance. I got yelled at on my first day of preschool by the teachers That was in here. I do remember. I was a, what did they call me? They called me headstrong. Yes. What happened? I got in trouble because my first day of preschool I said, "You're not the boss of me." And they actually talked to my mom. I was approximately 3 years old. Got in trouble first day of preschool, and it was the kid who didn't want to play on the playground. Yep. Happy walking and talking.